Hello, I'm Frank. I'm the sales director of Uniview LED. Here I would like to introduce to you our interactive dance floor. So we have the smallest pitch as 2.6 millimeters, and for interactive we can do 3.9 and P4 and P5. So I think we have the best interactive technology in this market. So it's 64 points of touch sensor per caplet, and the reaction time is only 0.03 seconds. So it's the quickest in the market. And this is also super strong that you can run over a car, and we do the test for 500 kilogram per panel. We have two different colors, the dark color with a better contrast and the white color with a higher brightness. So visit us at www.univiewled.com. Thank you.